Meru ochungo ng'anyo margi to keto sei mar winjruok kod 10 kaonti no kokalo kuom riwruok margi mar KMPDU. Kadore kod winjruogno, 10 kaonti oyie mar keto e tim dwaro mar lakteche go kamoting'o idho ngasgi mar tich, ndiko gi e yo mongirore kod bero alwora mar tijgi. Ng'anyono manobedo kuom thuolo mar ndalo 45 kendo hinyo maduong' chiwo thieth ahinya to ne osiptende manie ngas mar 4 kod 5 kama jotuo ne ochun mar manyo thieth e osiptende mag ji giwegi kata e kaontis mamoko.
I want to apologize to the patients and residents of Meru who had to suffer inconvenience because of this strike. Our intention as a union is never to measure the success of our strikes by how much patients suffer. And we also hope that the employer will also know that we don't have to strike for them to do what is right. If you continue talking, if you continue engaging, we should never have to get to a point that patients have to suffer for us to sit down and talk. We are all adults of safe and sound minds, and the issue we raise are valid concerns that if we just talk and meet, we don't have to fight.
Leo tumeweza kukubaliana na kusema kwamba madaktari wetu warudi kazi na huduma za afya ziweze kuendelea vipasavyo katika county government ya Meru. Tunashukuru county government kwamba wameweza kutusikiza na tumeweza kufika wakati wa mawasiliano. Kwa hivyo tunaambia wagonjwa wetu wakienda kwa hospitali watapata huduma ndani ya Meru County.
We are grateful that we have agreed madaktari warudi kazini so that beginning immediately the doctors were able to go back to work today, latest tomorrow morning. The members of the public can start experiencing a new environment at the hospital facilities.
Just to call upon our the residents, the citizens of Meru County, to inform them that services are back to normalcy beginning tomorrow morning.